Welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about wave characteristics. So we already learned about electromagnetic radiation. What is that? Electromagnetic radiation. So here electromagnetic radiation means it is a type of nature of light. It travels like this. Okay, so it is a type of nature of light and it have both electric field and magnetic field also. Okay, so here if I take this as electric field, so here I am taking these as electric field and magnetic field lies like this. So like this, magnetic field lies perpendicularly electric field. Okay, so here very important point, electric field is or perpendicular to magnetic field. Okay, so this is electromagnetic radiation. So like this, if I take this as x-axis and y-axis, like this it present. Okay. So this is electromagnetic radiation. Already learned electromagnetic radiation. These are in the form of waves. Okay. So how to measure the waves means there are some parameters. What is that? Parameters. So these are parameters which is used to measure waves. So if you see the parameters, first one, wavelength. Wavelength. So here wavelength is denoted by, first one, wavelength is denoted by lambda. It is a Greek word. Pronunciation is lambda. Lambda. Okay, so this is wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by lambda and it is a Greek word. Okay, so here what is wavelength means? So if I take like this, x-axis, y-axis, so this is a wave. Okay, so this is a wave and very important point, the upper, this is x-axis and the parts above the x-axis is crests and the parts below the x-axis is trough. Okay, note down this point. These are trough and these are crests. Okay. So here wavelength means the distance between successive troughs or successive crests. So here wavelength means distance between successive crests or troughs. Okay, so this is called wavelength. Wavelength means from this to this. This is called wavelength. So distance between successive crests or troughs means wavelength. So this is wavelength and it is denoted by lambda. It is a Greek word. Okay, so units is meter, centimeter, Armstrong, normal units only. Okay. So this is wavelength, first parameter. So next parameter, frequency. Frequency. Here frequency is denoted by nu. Nu. So here what is frequency means? Here x-axis, y-axis. So these are waves. Here frequency is means number of waves formed in 1 second. Number of waves travels in 1 second. Okay, so this is frequency. It is denoted by nu. It is also a Greek word. It is also a Greek word. Pronunciation is nu. Nu. And frequency means the number of waves travels in 1 second. Okay, so here units are cycles per second. Cycles per second, which means cycles per second, CPS. Okay, so this is one of the unit. Second unit, 1 by second. So this is one of the unit. Here 1 by second is also known as Hertz. Hertz. Hz. Okay. So these are the 2 units to measure the frequency. Okay. So this is frequency. And here relation between frequency and wavelength. So here the relation between frequency and wavelength is equals to 1 by frequency. Okay, so this is the relation between the frequency and wavelength. Okay, so if you see, higher the frequency, more the wavelength. Here, another relation, wavelength is frequency equals to 1 by wavelength. So if they give number of waves is more, here wavelength is more, frequency is less. If wavelength is less, frequency is more. Okay, so note down this relationship, very important. Okay. So this is the relation between frequency and wavelength. And the next one, wave number. Wave number means number of cycles per second is called as wave number. Of course, both frequency and wave number are not same. Okay, so those are not same. And wave number means nu bar. Nu bar, it is also a Greek word. And here wave number means lambda is equals to speed of light into wave number. Okay, so here frequency lambda is equals to c into wave number, which means wavelength is equals to speed of velocity of light into wave number. Okay, so this is the relation between, this is wavelength and this is wave number. and this is speed of light. Okay. So this is wave number, and if you see units are centimeter inverse, meter inverse, and so on. Okay. So this is wave number. Wave number means wavelength is equals to speed into wave number. Okay. And the fourth one, amplitude. It is denoted by A, simply small a. And here amplitude means, so if I take like this, x-axis, y-axis, and this is wave, and the amplitude means height of the wave. Height of the wave. This is the height of the wave. So that height is known as amplitude. Amplitude means height of the wave. Okay. So this is amplitude. It is measured in terms of meter and centimeter, Armstrongs, and so on. Okay. So this is amplitude. So these four are parameters of wave characteristics. Okay. And today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.